What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another POV. As y'all can clearly see, you know what I'm saying, man, I haven't did one of these in so long, cuz finally back with a little POV action, man, for the one time. You know what I'm saying? As y'all know, for the people that been paying attention, you know, I got my car wrapped. Well, I wrapped my car myself. As y'all can see, the hood, you know what I'm saying, not silver anymore. But I'm going to get out eventually at some point of the video, you know, give y'all a walk around of the car and stuff like that. And like I stated before, man, it's not nowhere near perfect. Like, you know what I'm saying? It don't look like, you know what I'm saying, you took it to a wrap shop and did it. But for me to do it for the first time ever, you know what I'm saying, it's decent, you feel me? Like, it's decent. I got majority of it down packed a little bit. But the hardest part be like the curves and small curve areas, the bumper, certain parts of the bumper, things like that, you know what I'm saying? But we just doing a slight little POV drive today, man, you know what I'm saying? Slight little POV drive, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna get back woke, you know what I'm saying, with the lit POV, but I'll probably give y'all boys a few little pulls and stuff like that. Just talk to y'all about the rap and then just show y'all the rap, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know how long that rap gonna last, man, cause you know how like when the sun or the car be outside in the heat, I have it covered up, but you know what I'm saying? I guess with the heat still, certain parts like a bubble up that wasn't really squeezing down good, what I learned. So you know what I'm saying? Some parts that wasn't, and not like on big parts, most of the back bumper. The back bumper my only issue for real with the car, because it's just like, I ain't really have, you know what I'm saying? I was trying to hurry up and get it done. I had to wait on some more material to get, I had to travel to go get it, just to get it done in a decent amount of time, you feel me? So, it is what it is with that. But for the most part, man, the car look good overall, just from the naked eye. Like, just looking at it, you know what I'm saying? But if you out here critiquing it, you feel me, and stuff like that, of course, you're going to see imperfections. I see imperfections for a rap who paid thousands of dollars, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, to each his own with that. But ain't none of y'all niggas, ain't too many niggas riding around, you feel me, rapping their own whip, you know what I'm saying? They self, all by themselves, like, no help, I ain't had nobody help me lay it down. No hint, nothing, bro. Like, all me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Me and the Lord. That's it. Me and God. That's all it was, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I'm proud of it. You feel me? I wanted to quit plenty of time. I was so close, bro, to just like taking the rap out. Even when I was almost done, all I had left was the front and back bumper, and I was already ready to take it off. I was dead close to taking the whole thing off, but you know what I'm saying? I got talked out of it. You feel me? And that was that. You know what I'm saying? That was all she wrote. But Olivia is back in the game. You feel me? She been out for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Y'all ain't see that. I passed the line before it turned red. But you know, a little 650. But yeah, man, nigga around there lab bike. What's up with nigga riding bike, dog, being in the way? Like, y'all niggas just be riding bikes and be in the way, bro. Like y'all got a tag on that bill or something. But, yeah, man. Olivia been out the game, man. She back in the game, as y'all can see, bro. We back in action. You know what I'm saying? No traction, ugly. But look at bro speed across that bitch so quick, but they got a BMX bike and like 32 years old. Damn, they been almost busted his ass. I wish I would have seen that bitch. Hold on. I ain't heard Olivia in a minute, bro. I gotta hit him on, man. I can't go too crazy right here, you know what I'm saying? Gotta wait till I pass this part. But, yeah, man, you feel me? Like, I might pull over. No, I ain't gonna pull over right here. I'm wait. I'm gonna pull over somewhere smooth for y'all, boy, you feel me? So y'all can see the whip, man. She do look good, though, the concept of it, you know what I'm saying? The idea of it, man, you know what I'm saying? She do look good, you know what I'm saying? She do look lovely, splendid. Delicioso, ugly. But yeah, man, you gotta slow it down right here, you feel me? You gotta slow it down right here. Damn, car came across that car. Oh, my bad, I be looking behind me, bro. Y'all can't see everything, but yeah, man. Overall, though, she look good. I ain't gonna lie, hard. I rock with satin black, man. You know what I'm saying? Satin black is smooth. You know what I'm saying? It's simple, but the incognito is smooth. You feel me? So I'm finna pull over somewhere. I'm gonna give y'all boys a few little pulls. See, all right, I'm gone now from that little spot. Yeah, boy's a little stickle, yeah. Yeah, boy's a fur gear pull. Stickle! I ain't did that in a minute, boy. I ain't did that in a minute, boy. My car don't even sound that loud for real no more. Cause I ain't got the window down low enough. Them natural pops too, I ain't got no tune on. Woo. That boy hit it. Hey, boy. That bitch sound good, boy. Olivia go always sound good, dog. I ain't even hold you. I ain't did this in a minute. Yeah, man. I know this video ain't too crazy. I'm finna get right on the POV, but I'm finna start going out like I used to be, bro. Just driving that car like I stole it. Finna start doing all that, you feel me? But I just had to, you know what I'm saying, give Olivia, you know what I'm saying, give Olivia a makeover real quick. You feel me? Just get her right, you know what I'm saying? So it stank over there, man. Smell like fart. Damn, somebody must have just farted out there, bitch, boy. Stanky. Yeah, boys, a little fur gear roll stick right there. Little 30-year-old, maybe. Nah, I bought that 25. Stick a little finger income. Damn. I ain't even flow that bitch that time. Yeah, damn. But that bitch ain't playing no games, is it? Damn. Slow your roll, Lil. Slow your roll. Damn, I'm up here doing all that. I'm up here pulling over and showing y'all boy the wheel a long time ago. My fault, girl. You know what I'm saying? If you still here, man, you know what I'm saying? Wait till the end, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? I should have been autofocus the screen. Oh, I gotta get in front of you, sorry. Let me get that. Need all that. Look at that. Shawty got some big old glasses on. E40 ugly. Shawty trying to race, ain't him? Slow your roll, cuz. Shawty trying to race, ain't him? Shawty trying to race, ain't him? What the fuck? That bitch trying to race. Slow your roll, cuz. Yeah, I always be the folks in the kills. What's up with y'all, bro? What the hell y'all be trying to race for the kid? You supposed to be saving money, live better Walmart, ugly ass. Hell no. Hell no. I mean, you can do that. You save that much money on gas, you know what I'm saying? That been doing a dance to that kid. But hell nah. I gotta find somewhere to pull over at, though. I should have pulled over at O'Reilly's. Auto parts. Ow! Damn, I gotta find somewhere to go. Ooh, there go police. Ooh, there go the police. Ooh. Please leave me alone. Don't bother me. That nigga got a fur helmet on. But hell no. Capital P on that. Crazy. Man, I need to find somewhere to go. I gotta chill right now, 12. Oh, don't think I'm following them. Because I'm not, shawty. I'm making a video. You know how I feel, baby. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This nigga but trying to roll that nigga. Nigga so weird. Look at that. Well, hell, damn, I should have went right now. I'm gonna turn around, cuz. There's too many good parking spots. There's too many good spots. I done just rolled past. Messing around with y'all. Ugly. Why niggas in the A be saying that? Y'all niggas love saying that, but ugly, stupid ass, stank ass, fat ass. I'm gonna pass that bit again. Damn. Oh, that be a little sharp. I can't go in right now. Gotta go in right here. That be a little sharp. Be a little sharp. Video almost over, man. I know y'all niggas don't like low video. Y'all boy probably watching that bit right now crying like, man, damn, when that nigga gonna show the car, bro? No, you done skipped all the way to that part. Ugly lady. Damn. Have some manners, stupid lady. Park in the handicap because a nigga ain't capped. I don't even know what that means. I'm gonna roll the windows up so y'all can see how that be look, you know what I'm saying, when I be chilling like a villain. Woo. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the Batmobile, you feel me? This time that bitch choppy though. Oh. Damn. Damn, shawty. Slow your roll. But yeah, like, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all one little thing that imperfect. This part right here, like, you see this? Now this just happened today. That's what I was talking about with the heat. It wasn't like that yesterday. It was rainy yesterday, but when it got hot, that mother did that. But this part right here, God gave up, bro. I'm about to quit. I ain't gonna hold it. Nigga finna quit. But you know what I'm saying? Other than that, though, I'll show y'all, boy, look, that big, you know what I'm saying? That big glass. You feel me? That big glass. Other than that, though, that bit hard. You know what I mean? Had to give me a little thunder. But they bit hard, though. Like, come on, you know I had to snap on the hood, you feel me? Because that's what y'all boy look at. You know what I'm saying? That bit hard. I can't lie. Y'all tell me in the comment down below, man. You know what I'm saying? Olivia, all black, sand black. Ain't hard. You know what I mean? Come on, man. Brakes black now. Look at that bit, man. Ooh. Ain't tell me that bit ain't tough, nigga. Ain't tell me that bit ain't hard, nigga. Oh, man. Black all the way around on that ass. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I just want to show y'all, boy. Something slight, something quick, real quick. I'm finna go ahead and get up out of here, you know what I'm saying? Nigga be walking around the street and I don't be too much liking that. But yeah, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you already new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, you feel me? But like I say, man, give y'all boy another little walk around. Olivia is smooth. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like I said in the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah. Appreciate it. Dang, he made me lose my train of thought. What I was gonna say, car crew? Yeah. But yeah, make sure you hit that like button, man. Turn your boy up, man. Get your boy to 17K the quick way, you feel me? Make sure y'all boys stay prayed up in these streets for all my religious folk, man. You know what I'm saying? And y'all boys just keep striving for greatness, whatever you trying to do in life. Cuz said that more harder. He said you got that more right the black way. Well, yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? But like I also say in the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.